ביאור משנה ג' the explanation for משנה ג' אכל ושתה ביום הכיפורים בהיעלם אחד. He ate and drank in Yom Kippur with one forgetfulness. For example, a person woke up in the morning and he forgot it's Yom Kippur and he ate and drank. He forgot. שנעלם ממנו שהוא יום הכיפורים. He forgot that it's Yom Kippur. או שלא ידע שאסור לאכול ולשתות ביום הכיפורים. Or nobody told him that eating and drinking is not allowed in Yom Kippur. ולאחר שאכל ושתה נודע לו. And after he ate and drank, it was known to him. Let's do the easy one. He forgot it's Yom Kippur. He woke up in the morning, he forgot it's Yom Kippur. So he says, so he ate and drank. So the question is, now does he have to bring 2 sin offerings or 1 sin offering? One eating, 1 drinking, yeah. So אינו חייב אלא חטאת אחד. He says, no. Eating and drinking is 1 thing. It's considered to be 1 thing. He's only obligated 1 sin offering. קורבן חטאת אחד. Only 1 sin offering. לפי ששתייה בכלל אכילה הוא. Because drinking is eating. When you say do not eat, it means drinking also. ונמצא שלא עבר אליי לאיסור אחד, שלא התענה. In other words, this is not עינוי. הוא לא התענה. הוא לא עשה עינוי. He didn't afflict himself. אבל אם נודע לו בין אכילה לשתייה, but for example, if he woke up in the morning and he drank something, and then he went back to sleep, he forgot. And then said, oh, I'm not supposed to drink. Yeah, and he forgot. So he went back to sleep again for lunchtime, and he woke up again, and again he forgot. And now he ate, now he needed to drink too. Or drank and ate, yeah. לשתייה. אבל אם נודע לו בין אכילה לשתייה, but if he knew that he did a mistake between eating and drinking, או בין אכילה לאכילה, or between eating and another eating, וחזר ושכח, and then he forgot again, הרי הוא חייב 2 חטאות, לפני 2 עולמות הם. Then he has to bring 2 sins, because 2 sins. So it means that the person can get up in the morning, eat breakfast, and eat lunch, and he forgot that it's Yom Kippur. Yeah, and also eat sometime in Mincha, and then he remembers, oh, it's Yom Kippur, he only brings 1. But if he remembered in between, then it cuts off between them. Okay. Achal ve'asa melacha. What if he ate and he did the melacha? Yeah, ביום כיפורים, in Yom Kippur, אפילו בהיעלם אחת, even in 1 העלם. Yeah, so for example, he ate and he put on the light, or whatever, or he drove to whatever, he drove. Yeah, חייב 2 חטאות, even though it was in the same one, he didn't remember it. Okay. It was in the same one, because it's 2 different things.
2 different prohibitions.
2 different עינויים. עינויים. יש עינוי... לפי
שבתון ועינוי נפשכם.
לפי ששני איסורים שונים הם, because they are both 2 different prohibitions, שנאמר, אך בעשור לחודש השביעי הזה יום הכיפורים, והינתם את נפשותיכם. It says, and you afflict your souls, this is 1, and then it says, וכל מלאכה לא תעשו בעצם היום הזה, that's something else. כי כל הנפש שלא תונה בעצם הזה, נחייתה 100. Because all the soul that is not going to afflict itself in that day, it's going to be cut off from its nation, וכל הנפש שתעשה מלאכה בעצם היום הזה, והבאתם נפש שזה מקרב עמה. And all the soul that's going to do work, I'm going to do it. So it's 2 different prohibitions. אכל אוכלין שאינם רואים לאכילה. What if he ate food that people don't eat? Something that people don't eat. For example, he was...
פטרוזיליה, אני יודע.
Yeah, exactly. No, פטרוזיליה maybe is he's going to exhibit כגון עשבים מרים. For example, bitter herbs that nobody eats. You use it as spices. You don't use it for eating. שאינם רואים למאכל אדם. That people don't eat it at all. Or maybe that you give it to animals, for example. Food that you give to animals. אכל בונזו. Yeah. ושתה משכין שאינם רואים לשתייה. Or he drank drinks that nobody drinks. כגון חומץ חי. For example, vinegar. Nobody drinks vinegar. He drank vinegar. You know, who drinks vinegar? Yeah. ושתה ציר. או כגון ששתה ציר. היינו מועל היוצא מדגים מלוכים. Or he drank things that people don't drink. For example, things that comes out of fish. או מוריאס. רוטב של דגים כבושים. Or all kinds of things that comes from fish. פטור מן הכרת. Again, he's not obligated for karet. ברם עבר על איסור בדרבנן. But he did a prohibition from the rabbis. ומכים אותו מכות מרדות. And the rabbis are going to give him lashes because he went against the rabbis, not against the Torah.